Upgrading hardware across multiple machines is usually a pain, as you need to know each machine hardware configuration and requirements. Goverlan offers a very fast and simple way to do any type of IT inventory. For example, RAM. How do you determine what is the maximum capacity of RAM each motherboard can take? But also, how do you know how many RAM chips are already installed on each different machine? This quickly becomes a very time-consuming and tedious task. Goverlan's process automation module gives admins the ability to report detailed information on the hardware for each machine, including RAM chips on each devices and the maximum capacity of RAM each of these machines can support. This will take you just a few clicks. After giving your process automation a name and selecting the group of machines you want to manage, create a report action. First, we will report on the current amount of RAM installed, then report on the maximum amount of RAM the device can support. We can also set a condition to only include machines with under 8 GB of RAM installed, or any other condition you could think of. That's it. In a couple of minutes, we have created a clear inventory of machines that need more RAM and that can accommodate that extra RAM. Using the Goverlan process automation module, we are able to take the headache out of hardware upgrades.